Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et cette fois-ci, on va apprendre le vocabulaire lié à la famille. My name is Suchita, your French language instructor, and in this video, we are going to study the vocabulary related to the family. Alright, so we begin with the first relationship of the family, that is father. And what do we say to father? Le père. Please take care that père as the accent grave and not aigu. Okay, next is mother, la mère. Father, le père, et mother, la mère. Next, parents, les parents. Les parents. Then next is son. Le fils. Le fils. Please take care that L is silent. Okay. The next is daughter. What do we say to daughter? La fille. Double L is silent. Next. Children. Les enfants. Les enfants. Here we have liaison. Les enfants. Next. Brother. Le frère. Le frère. Next, sister, la sœur. La sœur. Then next is husband, le mari. Le mari. Then wife, which is known as la femme. Most of the people pronounce it as femme. It is not femme, but it is femme. Now here, we note that it is not necessary that every word which ends with E, that should be feminine, and the words which do not end with E are masculine. So, what do we follow the rule? For example, father, he is masculine, therefore the word père is masculine. Your mother is feminine, so la mère, irrespective of the word is ending with E or not. Alright. So let's move on to the next relationship, that is grandfather. What do we say to grandfather? Le grand-père. Le grand-père. Next, grandmother. La grand-mère. La grand-mère. Now here please take care that mère is feminine, but grand it does not take any. It is grand-mère. Next, grandparents, that is known as les grands-parents. Grands-parents. Now, since parents is plural, therefore grand takes an S. Next, for grandson, granddaughter and grandchildren, we do not use the word grand. Instead, we use the word petit. Okay. Now, for grandson, it is le petit-fils. For granddaughter, it is la petite fille. La petite fille. Then, since this is feminine, so petit takes an E and becomes petite. Next, grandchildren, it is known as les petits enfants. Les petits enfants. Here, enfant is plural, therefore petit takes an S. Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et cette vidéo est la deuxième partie de vocabulaire de la famille. My name is Suchita, your French language instructor, and this video is the second part of the previous video which was recorded for the family. Okay, so we start with the next relationship, which is uncle. What do we say to uncle? Oncle. It is oncle, and with this article it becomes l'oncle. Next, aunt. La tante. La tante. Then next is cousin, who is a male. We say le cousin. Le cousin. Then cousin, who is a female. La cousine. Cousine. Then next is nephew, which is known as le neveu. Le neveu. Then niece, it is written in the same way, but we put this accent, and due to this accent the pronunciation becomes la nièce. It is la nièce. Now, supposingly we want to specify that elder brother or younger brother or elder sister or younger sister, then for elder we add the adjective aîné, and for younger we add the adjective cadet or cadet depending upon masculine or feminine. So now for elder brother we say le frère aîné. For elder sister we say la sœur aînée along with an extra e. Why? Because sœur is feminine. Now for younger brother we say le frère cadet, and for younger sister we say la sœur cadette, te. Why? Because sœur is feminine. Now supposingly we want to specify father-in-law or brother-in-law or maybe mother-in-law, then how do we do it? We prefix beau or belle depending upon masculine or feminine. So supposingly we want to say father-in-law, that becomes le beau-père. Now beau-père does not mean handsome father, it means father-in-law. Then brother-in-law, what do we say? Le beau-frère, le beau-frère. For mother-in-law and sister-in-law, they both are feminine, so therefore instead of beau we write belle. So mother-in-law we say la belle-mère, and sister-in-law we say la belle-sœur. Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et cette fois-ci on va apprendre les fruits, which means the fruits. Alright, so let's start with the first fruit, that is an apple. How do we say la pomme? Apple is known as la pomme. Then banana, la banane, la banane. Mango, la mangue. It is la mangue. Then plum. Plum is known as la prune, la prune. Then next tomato. Tomato is not a vegetable, it's a fruit. So tomato is known as la tomate, la tomate. It's just that here we have O and here we have E. Same with banana, here we had A and here we had E. Rest the spelling is same. Then next grape. Grape is known as le raisin, le raisin. Then next orange, it has the same spelling, but the pronunciation is l'orange, l'orange. The next is peach, which is known as la pêche. It is la pêche. Alright, let's move on to the next vocabulary, that is guava. We say la goyave, la goyave. Next watermelon, la pastèque, la pastèque. Next strawberry, we say la fraise. It is la fraise. Cherries, it is les cerises, les cerises. The next is pear. We say la poire, la poire. Next pineapple, we say ananas. With the L apostrophe, it becomes l'ananas. Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre les légumes. My name is Suchita, your French language instructor, and in this video, we are going to learn les légumes, which means the vegetables. Alright, so the first vegetable that we are going to learn is potato, which is known as la pomme de terre. Do you know what is la pomme? That's a fruit. Pomme means apple. But when we say la pomme de terre, it becomes potato. Then brinjal, it is known as aubergine, aubergine. Carrot, it is la carotte, la carotte. Then capsicum, which is green in color, le poivron, le poivron. Then we have red bell pepper, which is also a capsicum but red in color. We say le poivron rouge, le poivron rouge. We add the color red here. Next, yellow bell pepper, which is known as le poivron jaune. We add the color jaune here. The next is peas. Peas is known as les petits pois. Les petits pois. The next is radish, which is le khadi. Le khadi. Next is green salad. We say la salade verte. La salade verte. Alright, so the next vegetable is cabbage, which is le chou. Le chou. Cauliflower, that is known as le chou-fleur. Le chou-fleur. Bean, le haricot. Le haricot. Next, onion, oignon. It is known as oignon. Next, lemon, le citron. Le citron. And the last one is spinach. It is épinard. And with this L apostrophe, it becomes l'épinard. L'épinard. Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre les boissons, which means the drinks. Now, what do we call the drinks? Les boissons. Les boissons. Okay, so the first drink is tea. Le thé. Le thé. Thé means tea. Now remember H is silent, so it is thé. The next is coffee. Coffee is le café. Le café. Café is coffee. Now here we have, if I say café noir. Café noir. Noir, black. So café noir, which means black coffee. That means without milk. If you want to say milk coffee, that would be café au lait. The word lait, it means milk. So café noir, which means black coffee. Café au lait, which means milk coffee. The next is water. What do we say to water? It is l'eau. The word is l'eau. Next is mineral water. L'eau minérale. L'eau minérale. Le thé, le café noir, le café au lait. Okay? L'eau minérale. The next is wine. Wine, what do we say? Le vin. Le vin. The next is champagne. Champagne is le champagne. Le champagne. The next is beer. Beer is la bière. La bière. The next is lemonade. Lemonade is la limonade. La limonade. Milk. Milk is le lait. Le lait. On les répète. Répétez après moi. Le thé, le café, l'eau. L'eau minérale. Le vin. Now, if you want to specify the color of wine, so let's say if you want to say red wine, so you will say le vin rouge. You can say le vin rouge. That will become the red wine. If you want to say, for example, white wine, so that would be le vin blanc. Blanc, which means white wine. The next is you can add any color to it. The next is champagne. Le champagne. La bière. La limonade. Et finalement, le lait. The next is juice. How do we say juice? Here I have written different types of juice. Okay? So juice is le jus. Le jus. Now, for example, if you want to say fruit juice, the mixed fruit juice, you will say le jus de fruits. In English we say fruit juice, but in French we have to say juice of fruits. For example, orange juice, so that would be juice of orange. Apple juice, juice of apple, and grape juice, juice of grape. Okay, so le jus, which is juice, le jus de fruit. Okay, fruit, which means fruits. So you can add any fruit. Orange juice, le jus d'orange. Le jus d'orange. The next is apple juice, le jus de pomme. Le jus de pomme. We have done all the fruits. Please go back to the video on fruits and watch the fruits. Then you can add any fruit to it. Grape juice, le jus de raisin. Le jus de raisin. On les répète. Répétez après moi. Le jus de fruits. Le jus d'orange. Le jus de pomme. Le jus de raisin. Now you can add any fruit to it and you'll get the juice of that particular fruit. We're getting a lot of queries regarding the personal classes, so I wanted to inform you about our Skype classes. Here is the Skype ID, Learn French by Suchita. We take Skype classes for the school students, for the college going people, for the people who are preparing for DELF, and the people who are aiming to go to any francophone country. So if you're really interested to take any Skype class, please drop a message along with your query on our Skype ID, which is Learn French by Suchita. Bon courage et bonne continuation.